here, the question is to find out what is the flux through a sphere of radius 2a with center at origin. So the question is to find out what is the flux. And this question is based on Gauss's law. And first of all, we can write the given details. Here, given as 4q, this is a charge. The position of the charge is at A, O. That is, x component is A and y component is 0. That is, it means there is no y component. And what about the another charge minus q? The position is at minus 3a and y component is again here also 0. So here only x component is there. That means the charge is aligned on the x component. And one more thing is given. Radius is given as a sphere. So, and also given that radius of sphere, which is equal to what? 2a. These are the given details and we have to find out the flux. What is the flux? This is represented as phi e. Okay, what is phi e? That is the question. So it is completely based on Gauss's law. So we can recall what is Gauss's law states. Gauss's law states that the total electric flux through a closed surface. An important thing is a closed surface. What is meant by closed surface? It is just an imaginary closed surface to represent that it is like a mathematical tool. This closed surface, which means it may be a square, or it may be a cylinder, or it may be a sphere. That is known as closed surface on this Gauss's law. So the charge should be inside that closed surface, which is equal to the net electric charge enclosed by that surface. The net electric charge beats the net charge. If it is minus or plus charges, we are taking the net charge. What is the net charge? That net electric charge enclosed by that surface, which is divided by the permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space is like a fundamental constant or a universal constant like that. That is, it is represented as epsilon 0. This is the case of permittivity of free space. So we get the flux F phi E, which is equal to charge, the net charge enclosed on that surface, by epsilon 0. Or we can write as a 1 by epsilon 0 times charge Q. Okay. So we can draw this diagram. O is the center of this sphere, and it has a radius of 2a. And the charge 4q, which is placed at O. Also A from origin O to this position, that distance is A. That means it is at the center of the radius. So 4q is placed here. That 4q, the charge 4q is inside that sphere, that inside that closed surface. And what about minus q? The charge is outside the sphere. So we are not considering this charge for find out the flux through the sphere. So we are considering only this 4q charge. So what you will get phi as, which is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 q. We know that q is equal to 4q. So we can write it as 4q by epsilon 0. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.